Crispy's bedroom makeover. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to transform a simple bedroom into a warm, cozy and magical Christmas retreat. If you love Christmas decorations, soft light, beautiful details and that peacefully holidays feeling, then you are going to love today's makeover. So grab a cup of your favorite drink, sit back, relax and let's create a beautiful Christmas bedroom together. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest Christmas inspiration and decorating ideas. Let's start with the bed because it is the main focus of the bedroom. For a Christmas look, we can choose soft white bedding and festive cushions and warm blankets. You can use traditional Christmas colors like red and green or choose neutral shades such as cream, beige, white and gold for a more elegant appearance. A chunky knitted blanket at the end of the bed instantly makes the room feel warmer and more inviting. Then add a few decorative pillows, mix different textures such as velvet, knitted fabric and fur to create a luxurious and cozy feelings. The goal is not to add too many decoration. A few carefully selected pieces can make the bedroom look beautiful without feeling crowded. Now let's bring some Christmas magic to the headboard. A simple garland can be placed gently round the hardboard. Add a few small ornaments, pine branches, berries or ribbon to make it more festive. You can also add warm fairy lights. The soft glow from the light creates a peaceful atmosphere, especially in the evening. Sometimes it adding the Christmas light. Now it's time to add one of my favorite Christmas decoration, fairy lights. Place warm lights around the window dresses or long small Christmas trees. Warm lighting can completely change the mood of a bedroom. When the main lights are turned off, on the Christmas light remain, the room feel cozy and beautiful. Now let's decorate an empty corner of the room. A small Christmas tree can make a beautiful statement without taking up the too much space. Decorate it with simple ornaments, ribbons, stars, warm lights. If you have a larger bedroom, you can use a full-size Christmas tree, but remember you don't need a huge tree. To create a festive atmosphere, even a small beautiful wrapped gift boxes underneath the tree of an extra festive. Next, let's give the bedside tables a little Christmas makeover. Keep the decoration simple and practical. You can add a small Christmas tree, candle, miniature lantern, or a small vase filled with pine branches. Just remember to keep enough these should create a peaceful Christmas atmosphere. Now most of the decorating finished. Let's focus on the atmosphere. Christmas decoration is not only the add your Christmas book, a warm drink, and perhaps soft Christmas music. Christmas is about the beautiful warm feelings. So make your space cozy and turn on those Christmas lights. Enjoy the magic of the season. Whether you love traditional red and green Christmas traditions to prefer soft neutral Christmas themes, you can easily adopt these ideas to own bedroom. The most important thing is to decorate in a way that makes you feel happy. Christmas is about to love, warmth, togetherness, and creating beautiful memories in your life. So it is very. Thank you so much for spending these Christmas decorating moments. This is the very simple decor beauties for you. Okay, keep touch for us. Bye bye.